My role here began as an advisor, a project management advisor to Renzo Cinti, the site supervisor. Essentially, the feeling was that the replacement of the shingles was a bit larger of a preservation construction project than they're used to doing here. It has since evolved. It became more complicated when the timber framing came into question, and my role here is as a project manager, which essentially I'm responsible for bringing the team of people together, working out the paperwork and scheduling, and essentially keeping the project moving forward. I've been in the historic preservation business primarily as a stonemason. I've been doing this for about 40 years. I was formerly a partner in a company for about 20 years in Brooklyn that did exterior restoration on buildings, and currently my son and I are in the business of assisting structural engineers, architects, and conservators in their investigations of historic buildings. We essentially provide support services to the design team when they're investigating a structure in order to determine various things that to figure out the condition of the structures, but also to figure out what they need to do in order to follow through with plans such as putting in elevators or simply restoring the exterior of a building.